Hello everyone. This packages came with three phones: Galaxy S7, iPhone 6s Plus, and alcatel. We start with this phone. This screen, you can see nothing. It just got lines. This repair shop, they try to put a new screen, and the phone doesn't start at all. So let's see what's like. Now I plug the battery. The battery is holding the charge, or the battery is charging. When I plug it to the power, you can see the white light. You can see the phone is detecting the charger. Yeah, but like if you push the power button, nothing. The phone is not responding to the power button. We're going to check the power button, then come back. Take the power button apart because it looks like was a corrosion around it. Because sometimes the corrosion is go inside and that power button is on position or always open. Even if you click, doesn't make the connection because the corrosion. And yeah, the button is good. There is no corrosion. This side here is the ground. And this ground is for all of them, for the volume down and the volume up. So that's the ground. The ground is good, no problem in it. So this one here, no connection to the volume up. So let's try all of them to see which one is going to this one. So here, nothing. And this side of the button, nothing. This one here, nothing, nothing, nothing. Same thing here. Yeah, there is no connection between these points here and here. So maybe there is a little crack inside this flex cable. So next, let's try to jam the power button. We are just gonna like, you see these connections here? We're gonna search between the ground and one of them till we see which one is the power button. So let's short these first two and we wait for the phone to turn on. Nothing. So the ground and the third one, the first and the third one, nothing. Maybe that's the volume. The ground and the last one, and here the phone is power on. So the power button is between this one and this one. That's the power button pin. So wait for it to turn on. The repair shop, basically, he said did look for the replacement and he didn't find one. Yeah, so the phone, it works. So here is off, here is on, here is off. So the motherboard, nothing wrong with it. All the problem is here. So we're gonna go to the microscope because this is very, very small. Then we start fixing it. Alright, this is the power button. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make a jumpers. Maybe basically, I think I could see the crack. The phone together. Power button works. And the volume down works. And the volume up. 5032W.